It has come to my attention that I am in a flamingo video apparently, and so I have not seen it yet. All I know is that I'm in a flamingo video, so
National Weather Service has issued a tornado warning for Realicras City and surrounding areas, effective until 5:45 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 5:12 p.m., a confirmed large and dangerous tornado was located near the downtown district of Realicras, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. This storm has a history of producing significant damage and poses a life-threatening situation. Residents in the path of this tornado should take immediate tornado precautions. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows, and if you are in a mobile home, vehicle, or outdoors, seek shelter in the nearest substantial building. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Repeating, a tornado warning remains in effect for Realicras City until 5:45 p.m. Monitor local media, and NOAA Weather Radio, or official sources for further updates and instructions. Do not wait, take cover now. This is a tornado emergency for Realicras City. Take action to protect your life. End of message.